Welcome to Beast Dry DIY. This is Brian and Lowe's, and I want to show you some of their July 4th extended deals that are still going on, as well as their July deals. So the Craftsman days are still going on. You can buy these kits for $99. It's the leaf blower kit, and these are all over $200 as far as their value. The battery starter kit, and then the trimmer kit. And you get one of these free tools here. I think this is hands down the best deal still going on in the store because you're getting the tool kit as well as the free tool as well. Now DeWalt has their $99 20 volt max power tool kits, and for $169 you get the 2-tool combo kit. That's like a tongue twister. And for $249 you get their 20 volt max power to tech tool kits with the multi-tool and the circular saw, or you can get the 2-tool combo kit for $299. Now for $10 off at $39, it was $49, you get the 21 pack of the accessories for the multi-tool here from DeWalt. And then this is one of their doorbusters deals, good for I think 2 more days. It's $30 off this Craftsman half-inch drill driver. Now stay tuned because I want to show you near the end of the video where basically you're going to get it for half off of this number. And I don't know if it's an anomaly or what's going on, but here's the driver and then here's the drill. This one's saying it's $69, in the ad it's saying $79, but you'll get it for $49 with the deal, or even cheaper if you stay tuned. Now buy one get one free from Cobalt. This is a 24 volt battery starter kit, or the impact driver kit. You get a free bare tool. Now they have some of the nailer and hammer drill deals as well. This is a 24 volt straight nailer 16 gauge kit for $249. It's $50 off. They're saying that's a new tool. And then this 18 gauge brad nailer kit for $199. And then the 3-tool combo kit for $199, and that's $100 off. You're getting over a $399 value with that. And then the half-inch impact wrench is $50 off at $219. Now this is interesting. This is a Shock Force G2 tape measure for $33. It was $41, I believe. Now the thing with this, it's actually a quite heavy tape measure. It says it's drop tested to 120 feet. So I mean, if you need something like that, here it is. And it is heavy, so just keep that in mind. Now this is for $299, the half-inch high torque impact wrench kit. That's $50 off. And then up here they've got for $149 the 1.7 amp hour compact battery kit. That's $50 off. And then they've got the 7-tool kit with the rolling bag, charger, 2 batteries. Now this is a buy one DeWalt 20 volt 2-pack 5 amp hour battery and charger, and you're going to get 2 DeWalt 20 volt tools for free. Now that's the tool only, so you can't choose to get a battery and charger with that, but it's still a pretty good deal. They had that over in the other section over here, but now from Flex, you're going to be able to buy one of the 24 volt tools, and you're going to get one 2.5 amp hour battery kit or the 3.5 amp hour battery, or just the battery. So this is a free select tool when you buy the $199 3.5 amp hour starter kit, so kind of the other way around with that deal, but same kind of idea. Sorry if you get see or car sick here, I'm just turning around. This is the buy one from Bosch 18 volt Bosch tool, and you get the free 18 volt 4 amp hour starter kit. Now I didn't see the starter kit out, which is kind of weird. You think they would want to have it out, but they had that locked up near the bottom here. So that's actually to the left here, it's $229, and it looks like here you're getting the battery and the charger for the Bosch starter kit here. Now from Cobalt for $199, it was $269. This is the 35-inch 4-drawer tool cabinet, and they have the little section at the bottom you can set some larger tools on. They have the kind of the non-slip padding in here and on the top as well. You can lock the toolkit if you want. But it did look pretty sleek in the nice black color. I like that. So their July 4th sale, I was still surprised they had it going on, but they extended it for a few more days. So go ahead and check that out. For 3 for $10, this is their mulch. It's their Colored Guard Scott's mulch. And this is another of the doorbuster deals here for July. $199, you're getting the 40 volt max blower and trimmer. It's $80 off. And it comes with the charger as well as the battery here. And I touched it and the alarm went off. They've got everything alarmed nowadays, unfortunately. For $399 from Craftsman, this was $459. It's the 2.4 GPM gas pressure washer. It's got a 2-year warranty and looks pretty nice here. Right up above it, you're going to buy this Craftsman 20-volt power scrubber with extension handle, and you're going to get the 3-brush accessory kit. I kind of think that should come with it anyway. And next up, we've got this Bora angle duplicator for $18. It was $24.98. So these are some of the projects you can use it on. Sometimes if you have a weird angle or a weird obtuse type angle, you can use that here. And this is from Cobalt. You get a free select tool when you buy their 149 impact driver kit or the 149 starter kit with the 4 amp hour, 2 batteries, and the charger. And they have all the tools down below here. And I'm almost getting to where that drill is here for the half off drill. I'll show you that in just 1 second. This is a 24 volt locked up brushless impact driver. It's a 1/2 inch and the 3/8 of an inch drive here. These I think were $99 a piece with a 5-year warranty. And then they had the hammer drill here for $79. It was $119. So this is a clearance item as well for some reason. It's a 24 volt max tool and it looks pretty solid. And then next to it here for $44 is their cordless heat gun. This is the tool only, so just keep that in mind. Now coming up next, this is that weird deal I was talking about. So $24.75, they have this 1/2 inch drill kit. It's a Versatrack compatible kit. It comes with battery and charger. It's got a 3-year warranty. And I was like, wait, this can't be right. So I checked the number on there, and then on the side it was written 5073993. And I double checked that here. It's the same number. So it says it was $99. It's now $24. So just check out if that's in your store. I was kind of surprised in just staring at this here. I wasn't sure what to make of it, but I double checked the number. It's the same number. Nice tool. I mean, if you want a Craftsman drill driver kit basically for $24, you know, why not just pick it up? I almost picked it up here. I really should have, but I would take a picture here because it's like a handwritten price though. For $119, it was $149. This is the Cobalt cordless brushless MultiTool Kit. I think it comes with 17 pieces on it. I didn't touch it, but it does have the charger, battery, toolkit, and then the 17 pieces for the cutoff tool. And next up here for $99, this is part of their Doorbusters deal. It's $40 off their 1.2 GPM electric cold pressure washer. It has 1800 PSI with a 3-year warranty. And it's nice because it comes with the foam cannon as well. And you get the hoses, different nozzles as well, so you're all set in that area. For $99, it was $149. This is the Blackstone 1-burner portable gas griddle, and it comes with its own carrying case. So this is kind of nice if you're going camping, or I mean if you had somewhere with electric setup, but it comes with the carrying case and it shows everything here as far as controls, and it looks like you can put different skewers on it. It's got a rear grease compartment there, so that's nice. For $199, this is the 1.2 HP garage door opener. And this is cool because you can use your smart device to control it, and it has a smart battery backup, so you can use this, say, when the power goes out, or, you know, things like that. So this is from the Genie brand. And then right in the middle here, this is the Pit Boss Competition Blend. Hardwood pellets, if you're going to be cooking with that, for $14.99. I think that's a savings of $2. And then you've got your Kings for charcoal here. I think that's another $2 savings on that if you need to pick up a bag and you're going to grill. For $99, this was $129, so $30 off this Project Source 18-inch vanity. If you just need something to replace in like a live-in suite or something, or a basement, that might be nice. Now for $199, these are the sliding bar doors with the hardware kit. So it's nice that it comes with the hardware kit. These are good. The sale's good for another few days, and these look nice, kind of to separate rooms, I think. So for $44, this is a yellow tag item. It's a hose mobile set where you can hook the hose up and reel it up here. It's a decent price. I've seen them in their 50s here, but it's not super low. So for $15, this is the Spectracide Weeding Grass Killer. That's about $2.50 off. So this looks like the refill here for the sprayer kit, or this is the refill here, and it's $20 if you need that. Now next up, they had yellow tagged all these different sockets and extension sets here. So this is, you know, not too bad, maybe like $10 off each if you need some of these. This is a 4-piece set if you just lost some maybe. So this is an Adirondack chair. It was $25. They're now $17. This is part of that Doorbusters deal for July. They come in blue and tan, so those are just nice, neutral colors there. And with recent storms here, you might want to pick up a new cushion. These are yellow tagged here. They had a ton of different colors, and these were yellow tagged in case one blew away or your pet messed one up or something. But go ahead and check out this next video as well, guys. I'm reviewing a one-handed circular saw, and it did have quite a bit of power. You'll kind of be surprised, I think. But just check this next video out here. Have a great day.